Good morning everyone, and if you're coming across this video, I just want to ask you and let me know in the comments what goes on in your head when you're riding. As in, there are a lot of times when for instance, if I hit a bad section of road and I need to stand up, I always tell myself, stand up, toes in, lock your knees. I do that in my head, sometimes out loud. So yeah, I'm just curious to know what everybody else does inside that helmet of yours. I mean, I just want to know. I believe there are some people who like to sing. I don't do that. I'm not a good singer, so I do not sing at all whatsoever. It might vary also, for all I know. It could be different when you're on a short ride. It could be different when you're on a longer ride. It might not even be the same thoughts or the same way of thought process that you have. Or for all you know, you might be completely zoning out and everything is just blank and you're completely focused. So there are a lot of things that could happen inside that head when you're riding, and I'm just curious to know, dude, at least give some wave. There's somebody, seriously, is that how you ride? You're not even leaving way for somebody who's wanting to take that left turn. But yeah, I mean, I tend to talk a lot to myself. Call me mad, but every time I see something that's going on in the road, I talk about it to myself, nobody else. So yeah, today would be one of the first days that I'm recording, kind of as it is happening. And I'm just, trying to figure out, I'm just trying to find out what happens. Anyway, I'm repeating myself now, but if you do come across this video, let me know.